Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Gears of War E-Day reset graphic settings error. Basically this error right over here detected an unexpected shutdown. So just before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam. Over here, go ahead and click on Library on the top left. Right click on eGears, click Properties, a window will pop up. On the left panel of the new window, click Install Files, and verify integrity of game files. What it's going to do, it's basically going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might cause the issue with this error right over here. So wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is loading up. And once done, this is what it should look like. All files successfully validated. Once done, close this window and relaunch your game. Now if the problem still persists, on your library once more, right click on the game, hover up to manage, browse local files. Over here, find the executable file for your game. It should be the type of application. As you can see, it is different from the other ones. It says folder file or file folder, text document, application, and most likely on your folder it has executable or that exe on the end. Go ahead and right click on it, click properties. Over here, go to compatibility. Over here, go ahead and make sure that these two are checked, which is run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Click on apply, and then OK. Over here, what I'd recommend is basically running the game from this folder, not Steam. Basically on this folder, double click or enter and see if the problem still persists. Now if the problem still persists, what I'd recommend is basically updating your graphics driver to the latest one. So go ahead and click on the bottom right, click on this arrow over here. If you do not find NVIDIA over here, go ahead and just type in on your start menu NVIDIA app. Over here, go ahead and click on NVIDIA app for it to launch. This window will pop up. On the left panel, go ahead and click on drivers, and as you can see, it should be on the main page already. Go ahead and click on download. As for me, I already downloaded mine, so I just have to install. Once installed, do the express installation. Once the express installation is done for your graphics driver, go ahead and right click on your start menu once more and then restart your PC for better experience on updating your GPU. Go ahead and launch your game and your problem should be fixed. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. That will be all for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Peace.